Welcome to an extraordinary journey where the boundaries between science fiction and reality blur. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of quantum physics, where the manipulation of energy is not mere fantasy, but a thrilling frontier of modern science. Imagine being able to bend the very fabric of reality, to twist and turn the threads of energy at the most fundamental levels. This isn't just a dream, it's the exciting field of quantum event manipulation. In this video, you'll embark on a mind-bending exploration into the heart of quantum mechanics. You'll learn not only the fundamental principles of this enigmatic science, but also how you can harness the power of your mind and cutting-edge technology to manipulate energy at a quantum level. But that's just the beginning. We'll also delve into the staggering implications of mastering such a formidable skill. What does it mean for our understanding of the universe? How could it revolutionize our future? And what are the ethical considerations of wielding such power? Prepare to have your mind expanded and your curiosity ignited as we unravel the secrets of the quantum realm. Whether you're a seasoned physicist or just a curious mind fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, this video promises to offer you insights, surprises, and a glimpse into a future that's almost within our grasp. So, are you ready to step into a world where the impossible becomes possible? Let's embark on this incredible journey together. Welcome to the first chapter of our mind-bending exploration, the quantum world unveiled. Today, we're delving into the heart of quantum mechanics, a field that transforms our understanding of the universe from the ground up. Quantum mechanics isn't just another branch of physics. It's a radical departure from the classical view of the world. Born in the early 20th century, this field emerged from the brilliant minds of scientists like Planck, Einstein, Heisenberg, and Schrödinger. Their groundbreaking work challenged our perceptions, introducing concepts that still baffle the brightest minds today. At the quantum level, particles behave in ways that defy common sense. They exist in states of superposition, being in multiple places at once, and entangled particles, separated by vast distances, mysteriously affect each other instantaneously. These bizarre behaviors have been confirmed through key experiments, such as the double-slit experiment and Bell's theorem, reshaping our understanding of reality. But what about energy in this quantum realm? Energy, in quantum physics, isn't just a measure of work or heat. It's the very currency of interactions at the subatomic level. It's what binds particles together, tears them apart, and even allows them to transition between states. The relationship between energy, matter, and information at this level is profound. Energy not only converts to matter, as Einstein's famous equation EIMC2 suggests, but it also carries information. This interplay is at the heart of quantum computing and teleportation. Finally, we touch on the tantalizing concept of energy manipulation. At the subatomic level, manipulating energy could mean controlling the very building blocks of the universe. Imagine tweaking the energy states of particles to change their behavior, or even creating new forms of matter. So, prepare to have your perceptions challenged and your understanding of the universe fundamentally altered. Welcome to the quantum world, where the impossible is just another puzzle to solve. Energy manipulation in quantum physics is a frontier topic that intertwines the enigmatic principles of quantum mechanics with the control and alteration of energy states at the subatomic level. At its core, it involves influencing the behavior of particles like electrons and photons, often in ways that challenge our classical understanding of physics. The connection between quantum mechanics and energy manipulation is rooted in principles like quantum superposition and entanglement. Superposition allows particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously, a concept that forms the basis of quantum computing. Entanglement, famously described by Einstein as spooky action at a distance, implies a mysterious connection between particles, regardless of the distance separating them. A recent breakthrough by researchers at MIT vividly illustrates this. Utilizing quantum computing, they observed quantum entanglement, marking a significant step in understanding and harnessing quantum states for information transfer. This experiment involved teleporting a quantum state from one quantum system to another using the Sycamore 53-qubit quantum processor. By achieving this, They essentially demonstrated the possibility of transmitting information instantaneously across quantum systems. These advancements have significant implications for developing quantum technologies. Quantum computing, for example, relies on the principles of energy manipulation at the quantum level to perform computations at speeds unattainable by classical computers. Moreover, the ability to manipulate energy in quantum states holds immense potential for revolutionizing communication technologies, enabling secure and efficient transmission of information. In essence, the exploration of energy manipulation in quantum physics is not just an academic pursuit. It's a journey towards unlocking new technological paradigms that could redefine our understanding of communication, computation, and the fundamental nature of our universe. In the realm of quantum physics, the interplay between spirituality and science becomes particularly profound when discussing techniques for manipulating energy at the quantum level. These practices, often seen as a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical, offer a glimpse into a world where the traditional boundaries of science and spirituality blur. Practical techniques in quantum energy manipulation involve leveraging the principles of superposition and entanglement. In the laboratory, this might translate to the precise control of quantum states in particles like photons or electrons, using sophisticated equipment like laser systems and quantum computers. Experiments in quantum teleportation, a process eerily akin to the teleportation of science fiction, are a testament to this. By exploiting the entanglement property, scientists have successfully teleported information across particles, a feat that, until recently, was the stuff of fantasy. But there's a more profound aspect to this. Some theorists suggest that consciousness itself might interact with the quantum world, proposing that our minds could have the potential to influence quantum states. This intersection of quantum physics and consciousness hints at a universe more interconnected and mysterious than we ever imagined. Current research in quantum magic and energy teleportation isn't just about moving particles or information. It's a deeper inquiry into the fundamental nature of reality. Quantum magic, a term used to describe phenomena that defy classical physics explanations, is more than a metaphor. It's a window into a world where the rules are governed by probabilities and uncertainty, resonating deeply with spiritual concepts of interconnectedness and the non-material essence of existence. The implications for future technologies and scientific understanding are vast. Quantum computing, secure communication, and even new forms of energy harnessing are on the horizon. But perhaps more intriguing is the potential shift in our understanding of consciousness and its place in the universe. This fusion of quantum science and spirituality invites us to reconsider not just how we interact with the world, but the very nature of reality itself. As we gaze into the quantum future, the potential advancements in quantum physics and energy manipulation hold the promise of transforming our world in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Based on current trends, we can anticipate groundbreaking developments in several domains. In the field of computing, quantum technology is poised to revolutionize data processing and problem solving. Quantum computers, harnessing the peculiarities of quantum states, will tackle complex problems far beyond the reach of classical computers, potentially leading to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and algorithmic solutions. This leap in computational power could unlock mysteries in various scientific fields. The medical world might witness a quantum revolution too. Imagine diagnosing illnesses with unprecedented precision or discovering new drugs through quantum simulations that mimic complex biological processes. Quantum sensors could enable highly sensitive imaging techniques, offering a new window into the human body and its intricate workings. In materials science, mastering quantum manipulation may lead to the creation of materials with novel properties, superconductors at room temperature, materials with incredible strength-to-weight ratios, or substances that change properties on demand. This could pave the way for technological innovations in everything from transportation to renewable energy. Ongoing research in quantum physics also points towards a deeper understanding of the universe. As we unlock the secrets of quantum mechanics, we may find answers to fundamental questions about the nature of reality, space, and time. The spiritual implications of these advancements are profound. As we delve deeper into the quantum realm, the interconnectedness of all things becomes more apparent. This could lead to a paradigm shift in our perception of existence, where science and spirituality converge to reveal a more holistic understanding of our place in the cosmos. In conclusion, the future of quantum physics and energy manipulation promises not just technological advancement, but a potential renaissance in our understanding of reality. As these technologies mature, their impact on society and the broader scientific community will be transformative, challenging our long-held beliefs and opening new frontiers in our quest for knowledge and understanding. In our exploration of quantum physics and energy manipulation, we've journeyed through the fascinating realms of quantum mechanics, witnessing the potential of energy manipulation in computing, medicine, and materials science. Our quest has revealed not just the scientific marvels, but also the deeper, spiritual interconnections that quantum physics brings to light. The continuous research and exploration in this field are pivotal. They don't just push the boundaries of our scientific understanding, they also beckon us to reconsider our place in the universe. Each discovery in quantum physics is a reminder of the infinite power that lies within and around us, waiting to be unveiled. As we conclude this journey on infinite power of awareness, let's not just be observers, but active participants in this unfolding quantum story. Let's stay curious, open-minded, and ready to embrace the mysteries and wonders of the universe. Remember, in the quantum world, our awareness is not just a passive witness, it's a powerful force that shapes reality. So, to all of you explorers and dreamers, keep questioning, keep seeking, and let the infinite power of your awareness guide you through the fascinating universe of quantum possibilities. The journey is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning.